Yep. Allie's like, I'm bored.
Go over some big jumps.
If I had to do novice on ours, I would definitely fall off. He's stupid. I can't even warm up on him. Girl. Good girl. That's beautiful.
What happened?
He's talking to her.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
I really like the Irish people also.
Yeah.
I feel like we're watching golf.
It really does.
Stepping up to the tee. So we should have known on Flat Rock and watched from there.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
Binoculars.
really. Your super, telescope. Okay, so the next jump is the one she's terrified of, everyone.
Which one is that?
It's in the tree line. It's a big solid table, but it has brush on top, and she's always worried about it. I'm like, you've jumped it 100 times.
Mare?
Yeah.
Well,
Allie could get two
no
shifts.
problem.
Like literally 2 shifts.
She did great, though.
Now, where is she? She's...
And then she's gonna loop around the woods, come down over here.
Oh.
Here it comes.